All right, good morning. Here we are on Saturday, June 18th, Anaheim. This here is a floor that was started from scratch, from a demolition, tearing everything up, to installation, to a finish. As you can tell, this is a floor. It's actually one of the first times we ever used or worked on this type of floor. It's a hemp floor. Interesting smell, but as you can see, it's a unique look. And excuse me, we're prepping for the final coat. But as you can see here, forgive the interruption, this is what a finished floor like this looks like. Never worked on this type of stuff before, but it looks interesting for sure. Very nice, actually. Little blower, trying to dry off the floor a little bit. So it took about a little over a week or so, more or less, to do this from one end to the other. But coming out really nice. Perfect.